Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
Hello and welcome to Coxie's Picks, and today we've got 7 cuffs attached to me, and we're going to see if we can get them open by shimming them using just a blank bit of metal, and we'll use Amazon to determine the timing again. Okay, so Echo, start a 1 minute timer.
1 minute, starting now.
Okay, now the first set of cuffs I've got on there is a hinged, and it's a bit unusual for my wrists, but we're straight through. Then we're on to 100. There we go, get in there. This looks like 450. Nope, there's a 400. 100. There's a 400. That's a 450. 450. There we go. Over on to the other side. We got 1. We got 2. We've got, oh, missed. Come on. 3. Come on. 4. 5. 6. Come on, you bugger. 7. And still what time? Maybe I should twiddle my thumbs. Wow. I think I need more cuffs. And there's the timer. So 7 in well under a minute. Good practice.